The roadside murders, satanic ritual killings, are satanic panic. Divination is not the same as Satanism. Drug use is more of a risk factor than any religion. Being violated, abused, or bullied are greater risk factors. Artistic moments in action are not the same as it being ritualistic or symbolic. People can be shocked with the reality of their own actions. Blood pacts and attraction to blood is not Satanism. And one of the things that we come across in this documentary is that it does seem that some people and groups want to get people away from their purity or their faith because it holds them back in doing what the group wants them to do. But it's not this quite the same thing as their actions being some sort of cult ritual or something. They were trying to pretend that these people were obsessed with the movie and then went on a killing spree. That is far more common than, you know, being a witness doesn't mean being an accomplice. Being provoked by a movie is not the same as having a different religion. Becoming inactive or listening to blasphemy, common in music and TV and stuff, is not the same as joining a cult. I mean, it can lead to that sort of stuff. And no, this film really has nothing to do with Michelle Remembers, but,